Hi there, and welcome to Mastering Nutanix, from Basics to Advanced Concepts. I'm Taylor Norris, and I'll be your instructor for this course. Whether you're brand new to Nutanix or looking to deepen your expertise, you're in the right place. Now, before we dive in, let me give you a quick overview of what you'll learn in this course and how this training will help you in your career or business. In this course, we'll cover everything from what Nutanix is and why it matters, all the way to deploying, managing, and optimizing Nutanix clusters. We'll start with the fundamentals, understanding Nutanix core technology and how it simplifies IT infrastructure. Then we'll move into hands-on demos where I'll walk you through management with Nutanix Prism, storage, networking, and security. And finally, we'll explore advanced topics like disaster recovery, automation, and multi-cloud deployments. By the end of this course, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to work with Nutanix in real-world scenarios. So who is this course for? This course is designed for IT administrators and engineers who want to learn how to deploy and manage Nutanix. Pre-sales engineers and solution architects who need to understand Nutanix to present to their customers, as well as IT decision makers and managers looking to evaluate Nutanix for their organization, and even students or tech enthusiasts who want to break into the world of hyper-converged infrastructure. No prior Nutanix experience is required. If you've worked with virtualization, VMware, or traditional IT infrastructure, you'll feel right at home. And if you're completely new, don't worry, I'll guide you step by step. Now let's talk about what you can expect as you go through this course. The first being structured learning. Each section builds on the previous one, taking you from beginner to advanced topics. Hands-on demos. I'll show you live examples of Nutanix deployments, configurations, and troubleshooting inside of Nutanix Prism. And then lastly, quizzes and assignments. To help reinforce your learning, you'll find quizzes and hands-on challenges throughout this course. And the best part, you can go at your own pace, rewatch lessons, take notes, and apply the concepts as you go. And then lastly, I just want to thank you for subscribing to this course.